This is Dr. B, and if you're here from the last video, we're solving this more challenging fraction here, simplifying 384 over 512. And here's a hint: if both numbers are even, just divide them both by 2, because that'll make it a lot easier. So let's do that. Let's move this over here a little bit, and I'm going to divide both numbers by 2. So 384 divided by 2 is 192. And 512 divided by 2 is 256. And again, we have two even numbers, so we can divide these by 2 again. When we do that, 96 over 128, I'm just going to divide that by 2. I get 48 over 64, and I'm going to do it one more time. They keep coming up even. That doesn't always happen. So this gives us 24 over 32, and you might recognize there's a common factor that goes into 24 and 32. It's 8. You can solve it pretty quick, but I'm going to do this one more time. I'm going to get 12 over 16, and because I'm almost out of space, 4 goes into 12 3 times, and 4 goes into 16 4 times. So I end up with 3/4. And you could have divided this in half and got 6/8 and then got to 3/4. It actually would work all the way down. So that's how we simplified a more complicated fraction here. This one kind of worked out. We kept getting even numbers. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. But that's your answer. 384 over 512. If you simplify that or reduce it to lowest terms, 3/4. And do note, if you divide the numerator by the denominator for any of these fractions, you're always going to get 0.75. These are equivalent fractions. We've just simplified or reduced them. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.